Welcome to my channel. Enjoy cooking with Al.
Today I'm going to show you how to make this round center cut pot roast slow cooking with the nice gravy all at once. I'm telling you, it pulls apart. This is delicious. All right, come on, let's get going. Here we have our center cut bottom round roast. I trimmed it a little bit, okay? Keep some of that fat on there. Season the beef with salt and pepper all around nicely. And then I'll tell you what's the next thing we're gonna do. All right? Okay guys, we have it nice. The meat is seasoned, salt and pepper. I made a couple of slits in here. Okay, I'm just gonna shove in a garlic clove. Okay, just shove it in a little bit. I did it on both sides. Just want to shove in a garlic clove, okay? A whole one. Let that press in there, okay? That's it. Now we're going to put it to our hot pan. Okay guys, I put some oil in my pan. And now we want to sear it on both sides, okay guys? Let's get this pan nice and hot. We want to give it a nice let that brown nicely. Guys, we want to do all sides. Brown it until it gets brown. You want to check it, turn it from time to time. You want to make sure that you get it evenly colored. Okay? You just want to get some nice even color. Okay guys, this is what we want, okay? We're just searing it. We got good markings. Now we're going to take it to the next step. Now we're going to add our onion in the same pan, guys. And garlic. We want to saute this nicely and cook it down real nice. Let it cook down. Okay, this is how I want it, guys. This is looking great. All right. Perfect. Okay, let's put 2 bay leaves down here. And let's surround it with our sauteed onions and garlic. Oh yeah, baby, what did you do? Don't worry. Yeah. All right, guys, that's my son. He cook on the side too. All right, put that right there. All right, we dropped our beef in. Look at that. Put our carrots around. Okay, that's great. Our celery. All right, just surround that. Wonderful. Okay. We're just going to add some nice smoked barbecue sauce. Now we're going to add some A1 sauce in here also, guys. A1 sauce, steak sauce. If you have Worcestershire sauce, that would be great. All right, just want to get all this in here. Perfect. Okay. All right, we're going to add some thyme in here as well, some fresh thyme. Okay, perfect. Here we go. It's a little more thyme, just for flavor, guys. That's going to cook nice and slow. Okay, there we go. That's great. Let's put some new potatoes in here, guys. I just cut them in half. All right. Get these big, chunky, nice potatoes in there. That's what we want. That's what I want. Here we go. Yes. Okay. Now we're going to add our beef broth. Okay guys, as you can see, this is looking great. We got all of our fresh thyme, got some red potatoes in there, we got some fresh garlic clove, okay, we got the beef broth, it's submerged, you see how it's coming up. This liquid is what you need, okay? We're gonna seal it tightly and we're gonna cook it slow, okay? At a high temperature for 3 to 4 hours, okay? At a low temperature, 8 to 9 hours, okay? We're gonna wrap this down real tight, okay? We want this to cook to the meat falls and pulls apart. That's how we're going to cook this, where the meat pulls apart. I'm telling you guys, this is gonna be delicious. Yes, baby. Okay, let's cook this to 3 to 4 hours at 350 degrees. Let's keep an eye on it now, guys. All right, guys, here we have it. Our beef pot roast right out the oven. Stand back. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Nice and soft. Watch this. Let me see. Wait, what can I do? Let me get. Oh, look at this. Look at this, guys. This is what you want. All right. All right. Get it in that sauce there. This is the best part. Hold on. Hold on. Oh my goodness, this is delicious. I'm telling you, all the flavors came together, working together. This is it, guys. Thank you, we did it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more delicious videos like this. Until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.